Damn, it looks beefy.
Whoa, dude. These look way beefy. Holy shit.
Woo! She's back, baby!
We're not experts here.
Yeah, everybody's got a
But look, it's getting done. Hey, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
That just proves that it doesn't take a genius to get it done.
It takes 4 of them.
So that's how you gotta do it, dude.
It is.
We're back with a little bit of garage time, tool time with Nick.
Bam! Got some new parts in. Actually,
Yeah.
pretty excited for them too.
Yep.
We,
A little bit of razor carnage. We had some bent radius rods.
yeah, the RS1, she's been taking a little bit of a beat in the last few
Yeah.
weeks with all this racing and big jumping and,
Some people bumping into them.
yeah, somebody bumped into me. I ain't gonna say names, Chief. Yeah.
Here's the carnage. We got a banana.
Big smile. So, we're gonna throw some new ones in the RS1. We got the Super ATV.
Yep, Super ATV. Woo!
Yeah,
I believe billet aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
40% stronger.
Tougher, smarter, faster,
Yes.
everything. So
We haven't even seen them yet.
Nope.
We've been saving it for this moment.
we have. We wanted you guys to be here with us.
Yeah.
So let's see what they look like.
Yep.
I'm excited. Ooh, dang! It does. It has everything in here.
Oh, sweet.
Oh boy, this is gonna be
Ooh, it looks pretty in there.
nice and red.
Oh, yep, reinforced backing plate.
Oh yeah, that looks sick. We got
All the certs.
yep, everything's gonna insert right in there. We are gonna have
Oh, all right.
radius arm misalignment bushing. Cool.
All right. Yep.
Let's get to the real cool stuff.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, they good. They actually did come with all new.
Oh,
stuff.
new hardware.
Yeah. Nice.
Sweet.
Dang. Let's actually really hook it up. All right, right on. That's. Whoa, same size.
Yep. We're all good. Just
We're good.
double-sided.
I'm liking it. All right, let's strip these bad damage out.
Pop into her, dude. Ooh. Fire engine red, dude.
Look at that.
Damn, it looks beefy.
Whoa, dude. These look way beefy.
Oh, I'm
Dang.
liking that.
Me too, man. This is sweet. Okay.
How does it feel heavier?
It actually does feel a little bit heavier. Oh, way heavier, dude. They are twice the weight.
It looked, you holding them next to each other.
Dude. Holy shit.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
That is mega.
Man, yeah, you just
So that must be.
so the top. Man,
That's an upper.
Look at that shank on that
Yep.
thing.
So that's actually the upper, but still. Holy smokes, man.
Yeah, that looks way tougher.
These are way, way tougher. And adjustable too.
Yep.
So that's a nice option. Alright, let's see the other ones here.
Yeah.
That's sick, man. And I like the red backing plate. That's gonna be dope.
Yeah, it's gonna add some character.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice. So.
Oh wow, yeah, this thing is definitely heavier.
2 radius rods.
Hell yeah.
3. Nice.
Oh man, they all just look so much beefier.
Dude. Holy shit. Yeah, do that.
Hell yeah, dude.
That's what I'm talking about. Got it. Alright.
Sweet, man.
Man, this is gonna be
It's gonna be
way
awesome.
nice. Heck yeah. I mean, it is a crazy difference in these.
Yeah, they
Like
look.
crazy difference. See what this cool backing plate looks
Yeah,
like.
it's the last thing on our wrap.
Yeah. Damn.
Good packaging, good packaging.
Holy smokes.
Shout out to Classic Motorsports in Traverse City, hooking
Yep.
us up. Thanks,
Definitely.
Nate. Go see him. If you're around in the area and you need anything.
Yep, he'll take care of you.
Good people up there, good people. Man, that looks sick.
That looks way sick.
Oh, whoa, okay.
Kind of a little bit different than what I'm thinking.
Get your old one.
Getting this up.
It looks cooler no matter what. I don't know why there's 2 pieces, but we'll figure it out in a minute.
Yeah,
I wasn't here for the Nick and Garrett already took it all apart.
Yeah, we got anxious when it got bent real bad and finally get it out.
Mm-hmm. It is what it is.
That's what it is.
It's pretty simple. It's all 18 millimeters to take it apart.
Yep.
So this is basically going to be an install. You missed the disassembly part, but
yeah,
it's pretty self-explanatory.
It's pretty cut and dry. It's just 18 millimeters, socket and a wrench, comes right off. Getting back in here is a little bit tricky. We found that like getting these upper bolts just coming in on an angle here, you're able to get it. And then for these lower bolts, you just come in from this side and drop a wrench down straight onto it, and it locks right into it.
All right, sweet.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get things organized. We'll be right back, and we'll start assembling this thing. And alrighty, we're back.
Yep. Got all the radius rods laid out. Got them.
Yep. So what we got going on here is the stock ones laid with the aftermarket to see if they're the exact same length, which they are.
Yep.
It actually took us a while to figure out what was going on here because they actually give you double the amount of hardware for older models. I think it's 14 or 15 models and under.
Yep.
Have the smaller hardware.
It's
which,
a 15 millimeter wrench and.
Yeah, which Nick's is 18.
Yep. Mine's a little bit heavier duty.
Yes.
So what we did is we just took these bolts and lined the eye holes up from the existing one to the new one, just to make sure that these rods are the same length. So, and another note to keep is the longer the A-arm, or the longer A-arm is the lower, and the shorter A-arm is the upper. So, and then Super ATV gives you these wheel spacers here, which are only...
Wheel spacers? You mean radius spacers?
Radius rods.
They go for the lower ones only.
Yes. They go only for the lower ones, and then a plate. So...
Yeah, which the backing plate, same story. There's two of them. This is the older one. It has smaller bolt holes or whatever, so yeah.
Yep. So that's the setup here. So yeah, we're going to throw them on and hopefully it goes nice and smooth here.
Yes.
Oh, and another thing too was these bushings. So they actually just literally press right in. It's super easy.
It's all pre-greased and everything. Yeah. It's ready to go.
You just slide them right in.
It looks like
actually once you're in there too, I almost can't even get them out. So, yep, just right in, bam.
And here's the other end.
Yep.
Oh, that's the old one. What am I doing there? Yep, wham bam, making ham.
Actually, we're gonna go just like that. Bam.
All right, now we're gonna start the assembly process.
Yep.
Yep. They already put together one side, somewhat loosey goosey. Oh my god.
Tinder. Garrett's on Tinder.
What was that, a Tinder
and
noise?
Grinder.
Oh, damn, son. All right. Nick, show us what you just did, man. You made half magic right here.
Yeah, half this puppy's on right now, so we gotta put this wheel space or radius spacer
on the lower part.
On the lower part, and it goes to the engine side. So, and they actually give you new bolts and longer bolts to make up for that spacer instead of the stock ones. But you still got to use your stock ones, though.
On the calipers.
Caliper. Yep. So.
Hub, whatever.
And actually, they go in pretty easy too.
Yep. So far, the process has been pretty self-explanatory and easy.
Yeah, not too shit.
Other than 2 sets of hardware.
Yep, the two sets of hardware is probably the most complicated thing.
It threw us all off. We have no idea what was happening.
Alrighty. Again, all the hardware is still 18 millimeter, and probably the hardest part about it is getting this inner nut on the bolt.
Yeah.
Right now, that's what we're going through.
Got the magnet?
So.
Got the magnet.
No, I got my finger on it.
Seriously. No, you gotta go top.
Yeah, no.
Bottom.
This looks sweet with this new plate on here, man. Alright, 14 people to get it done, but it will get done. Garrett brought the goods. Some Coronas, wobbly pops.
But with lemons.
But with lemons. And he lost a bet.
Yeah, he's gotta do 50
He does
push-ups.
those 50 push-ups.
50 push-ups.
I felt like we shook on that.
No, but it was his bet. So.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
no, I think him and I shook on that.
Well,
He was
I
very...
think we literally shook hands.
I can't put that on the Bible.
He was very adamant that lemons are what go with it.
But we
And I
shook
swear
hands.
that the damn.
Yeah, but can someone put a wrench on
I
that?
can't confirm.
You did not.
Can't confirm nor
I
deny.
can't confirm.
No matter what, he owes 50.
deny either.
He owes 50.
He owes 50 push-ups.
50 push-ups, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if he handshake or not. That's your word is your bond, man. So this is the biggest battle, is getting this nut on the inside right here. All right, we're finishing it up here. Upon further analysis, what is weird is that the head bolt is 15 millimeter, but the nut is 18. I don't know why, but that is how it is.
Hold on. Hold on, you got something to put into this?
Again, don't forget spacers lower
What?
Give me
only.
that cloth right
Yeah,
there.
things gonna-
Oh, it's not touching it. It's fine.
No, I'm holding it. Give me that cloth behind you.
Oh, where you are, yeah. It'll gouge, I guess.
Oh, I thought you were talking about right here.
No, that's not. Let's get the paint.
All right. Ratchet time, dude. I'll go get the impact. There you go, man. Get her done.
I think it's good. I think it's good. Nope.
There you
I think
go.
it's good.
Give it another tight.
Alright.
Crank away, dude. Crank away. Did you guys already tighten these ones down?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're moving, dude.
yeah. Are you Jimmy Johnson's pit crew?
3 clicks on the torque wrench, remember?
Yeah, kink, kink, kink.
We go forward just to make
Yeah,
sure.
fuck.
Should be able to read that.
Oh my god.
Dude, it didn't
That's good, man.
kink or crank
Ain't
or
coming
whatever the
apart.
hell that
Nice and
No,
tight.
no.
Just double checking, making sure everything's
Yep.
good.
Then you have
Then
to feel
you're a
as
fucking-
springy as it counts for
That feels
us
nice and
because
tight.
it's-
They're on back.
Man, they look good.
They do look
These
good.
are supposed to be on the
Look a lot
top.
better than that banana.
Get out of here. Then with the backing plate and everything, it looks tight. Boy.
Now to do the front. Win another race, dude. Might get a sponsorship or a gift card or something.
Man, that actually looks way cool. I like that red plate.
Yeah.
We were thinking double plate. We had no idea.
Oh my god, don't be saying that
Go
stuff.
drive it, dude.
We're not experts here.
Yeah, everybody's got a front.
But look, it's getting done.
But it's done.
Hey, man.
Hell yeah, dude. That's
That just proves that it doesn't take a genius to get it done.
right. Anyway.
Takes 4 of them. You don't want to drive this thing, dude?
What? Hell yeah, dude.
Well, let's go, Donnie.
Alright, let's.
Gotta do some things
We're gonna put the
here.
wheels on her and
You gotta do
take
what?
her for a little
I
spin.
gotta do what?
Yep.
You
You
rotating
gonna
them?
burn out soon?
He ain't gonna email you.
You rotating them?
He ain't got no pancake,
No.
man.
One of the most important steps, putting your wheels back on.
Yep.
Don't forget to do that.
Dude, what's up with you and Tinder, bro?
Oh my god, man, chill out. Razor's getting them horned up. Add a couple of Coronas and change some tie rods, baby.
Yeah.
Guys have any lemons?
Oh,
Sweet.
dude, that looks badass.
Does.
You gonna go take her for a rip or what, man?
Yeah.
You're, like, it's noticeably bigger than my Turbo West radius rods.
And this right here.
Here's a measurement. Here's fistful.
This extra weld there too.
Yeah. Not much, but
It's not much, but it's definitely bigger.
Well, then you got
That's
this.
what she said.
That's a lot.
Man, that's tough looking shit. Maybe I'll get some. Yeah, look badass.
Oh man. Feels like it should be.
It's been like a week or so, right?
Oh dude, it's been it's been a hot second since I've even been in this guy.
Nick's used to riding his Razor like every day.
For real too. I've got some serious miles racked up. But too much fun.
Too much fun.
Way too much fun. Oh wow.
We actually have a race tomorrow, again at Twisted Trails. If you've seen our past videos,
Yep.
we did a race there recently. If not, go check it out. Yeah, tomorrow we're doing it again, so prepare for that video also.
It's gonna be good.
See if Nick can get some, pretty much stay undefeated.
Yeah, it'll be, if I get it tomorrow, it'll be 3. So that'll be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
All right, let's go try this thing out.
Scrub this thing out, dude. Go take. Just do some pass bys. I'll on the closed course, man. Oh my god.
Looks like it's running all right.
Yes. Oh my god. Speedy Gonzalez.
Didn't drove it in a week or so.
Man, look at the dirt compound. Wham. Got a tape measure.
You got any pancake mix? Paintballing right now.
Ah, I zoomed in too hard. Alright.
I got 3 paintball guns.
What?
Right now? I thought we were doing this shit.
What are you talking about?
Razor paintball.
Razor paintball, dude.
No, we can go up to the course.
Razor
so we should
paintball.
take the paintball.
Razor paintball
Razor
sounds
paintball.
kind of fun, actually.
I'm gonna say find one more gun. It's 4 of them.
Hang on.
See in the back of
Woo! She's back, baby. Oh, I'm ready for tomorrow now. Oh,
That was some ripping, man.
yeah, it feels good. Oh, sorry, I haven't been on you in a week. Woo!
All
I
right.
like it. All right.
They seem to be good.
They seem to be good. They feel good, man. Actually feels like, I don't know. maybe
Tighter
just-
than ever,
yeah,
man. She's good looking.
I just been grinning. I'm liking it.
All right,
Oh,
so let's wrap this up, man.
Oh, I gotta roll down more. But yeah, man. Super ATV radius rods. I would recommend them. They're awesome. Way beefier than stock. Once you figure out that there's like multiple components, yeah, then it's
Yeah, double the hardware.
yeah, double the hardware. They're simple to put on. They really are. Yeah.
And they look badass.
And they look
price point,
badass.
Yeah, good price point.
Yep.
Stock OEM radius rods were like $400. These were $256.
Yep.
So definitely a better deal.
Another big thing we have coming in October, Chief.
Yes.
A race. We're going to be hosting one. October 12th at Twisted Trails. Come out, race with us. It's going to be sweet. We're going to have a really cool track set up. You know, we really hope for a good turnout. So
Anybody can come. It's at Twisted Trails in Coatmas, Michigan. It's a big off-road park. I believe there's like 400 or 500 acres for you to ride on. Tons of different terrain, mudding, hill climbs, tons of trails.
There's a campground there, so if you live far away and you still want to come up and race, you know, bring a tent, bring a camper. It'll be sweet.
Yep.
So,
And we're going to be October 12th. It's a Saturday.
yep.
Following Saturday to side-by-side blog drag race, the Race-tober.
We'll have more information out, time, all that stuff.
Yep,
So,
live music. Alex will be playing.
Yep. So it'll be fun. It'll be a good time. You guys got to get out there.
Yep, so after the race, we'll ride around, and then later that night, live music. So,
Yep.
whole day of activities. It's going to be a similar race to RBOR. It's going to be head-to-head. If there's a big enough turnout, we're going to be doing 2 classes, turbo and non-turbo.
Yep.
If not, all turbo, just depends on the numbers. There's an email below if you want to email us and let us know you're coming. MichiganDirt231@gmail.com. Hit us up.
Yep. Like, subscribe,
Come
hit the
try
bell.
and beat the winner, dude.
Yeah, come try and beat the winner.
You'll see what happens. It'll be a good time. All right, guys. We'll see you later.
Yep, do all the good things. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell.
Boom.
We out.